Alright, so for real, it's the day's 12/2/21. It is time for dyno day. I'm gonna go load up the truck and the trailer, and then we're gonna haul the Honda down there to Jeremy at LSX Unlimited. See them boys down there. We haven't seen them in a while, and we're gonna, after really about a month of being completed on the Honda, we're gonna get it on there and get it fine-tuned. And by we, I mean not really me. They're gonna do all the magic, so we're gonna leave it up to them. He's gonna get it all cleaned up, and so then we can just start driving this thing again. And so I can't wait for you guys to see it and enjoy it with me. I don't think you guys understand how freaking excited I am for this moment. It's finally time to go down to LSX Unlimited and get a tune on the car. We are ready to drive this hog. Well, so anyways, dude, here we are, LSX Unlimited. The car is in there. He's made a couple just little driving poles, and it sounds super good. He's impressed. I'm impressed. So I'm just super stoked, ready to get back out there and drive this thing. Is that 323? Yeah. So anyways, as we sit here warming it up, I feel like I'm yelling at you from here. It is for real way too loud, and I almost kind of already want to change that, but that's another part of a story that I will come up to probably next. But I'm gonna back it out of the garage, and then we're just gonna go for a little rib, and then that'll kind of wrap up things for this episode. Still kind of cold, but anyways, I just wanted to kind of continue on about the experience building this car over the past few years. I know I got the first set done in less than a year from purchase to completion, and of course it didn't last very long, but that is the experiences we get with building vehicles on our own. we're gonna make mistakes, and it doesn't take a year for somebody else to finish. But the fact of the matter is, when we do have a problem, then you typically know where to go after, and that was my engine the first time. So we did end up building the 4.8 for this vehicle, and we came up at 330 horsepower with the help of Jeremy at LSX Unlimited. And you know, just huge shout out to him and my buddy Caleb. We put in a lot of work over time on this vehicle, and you know, I'm super thrilled with how it turned out, and you know, where we're gonna be with it later on. You know, I know I already have plans in my mind about changing things later on, but I think any car guy has an idea of, you know, what they're gonna do next, and you know, I'm just excited to have you guys along for the journey. This is kind of wrapping up the video. I'm gonna go play with the car. I know you guys got projects, and I know I got even more to do, so I'm gonna see you guys later.